into the rest of the feed. At the moment is nice working, thank you. But I normally prefer to speak without a mic from that point of view. So let me recognize the people who will be with us and who are important to us. Madam Claudia Solomon, who is the president of the International Chamber of Commerce, International Chamber of Court of Arbitration. We've also got the vice president of the International Court of Arbitration, Ms. Ndanga Kamau, who is here with us in person. And we also have Deora Damona, who is the ICC chair for Africa, who will be joining us as well. And I'd also like to expose my fellow directors at the ICC. I think Sam is here, Sam Nderitu. Please stand so you can be recognized. Who else is there? We should have had Nick Muni. He's representing the tea trade, but he's from Mombasa. And Jackie Mugo, who should have been here as well, but I think she's caught up in a board meeting from the Federation of Kenya Employers. So there is 4 of us currently who are the directors of the ICC Kenya, but we are seeking to exit office as soon as possible once a lot of you have become members, and we can then retire into oblivion, having given birth to this organization. Now, to start the day today, I'd just like to do a little teaser. And I don't know if all of you can see that. Go to your mobile phones and then search for menti.com in your Google. Go to your mobile phones or whichever device you have connected to the internet. Go to Google and look for menti.com. Those online as well, please do the same. Just take your device, if you're connected to Wi-Fi, which you must be if you're watching us, and then go to Google and connect to menti.com. When you get to the first screen, it'll ask you, there'll be a little bar there that says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever. Put that code in, 21594052. So in that box with 1 to 9, put in this number instead, and then submit, and you will join a small conversation I'd like to have with you. Okay, if you can switch to the next screen, please. I think I better join so I can tell you what to do. So that I'm also present in there. Right. So the question is, just put it in free form. As I join, I know the Mentimeter is at the top, and I have Menti as an app, so I can join very quickly. So I hope you've all joined. So please put in where you are in or the country you've traveled from, where you are, whether you're in Nairobi, which part of Kenya, which part of the world, and you see which one becomes biggest. As you see that, you can see in the bottom right-hand corner, the number of people who have responded, which is 36 so far. A little blue box in there tells us the number of people who have responded. It seems that most of the people are in Nairobi of some nature. Nairobi, and quite a few people are generally in Kenya. And the size of the word reflects the number of people who have put that particular response. So Nairobi is the largest number. So Nairobi County, all those count together. So thank you very much for telling us where you've come from. Then let's go to the next question. And we'd just like you to also, I hope you've all received a program, and let's hear which one you are keen to look at and listen to. Or just a general statement of what you really like to get out of today. What would you like to get out of the session today? It may be part of the program, it may not be part of the program, but just tell us what your expectations are. And that will probably be passed on to the people who are going to be talking to you, so they'll know which area of interest you've got specifically. But it looked like advantages and disadvantages of ADR. Why ICC? I hope people are not thinking of the other ICC as we talk about the International Chamber of Commerce, other than the International Criminal Court. We sometimes have to be very careful that we say the full name, especially in Kenya, where people still have that mind from before. Dispute resolution. Arbitration banking, arbitration. And this is something we've just been speaking, we've just been talking about with one of your panelists, Ndanga. The whole issue of arbitration and dispute resolution. That people think more of arbitration rather than the bigger picture, which gives a lot more opportunity. But that'll be a point to be discussed later on. Is arbitration necessary? Learn better on how arbitration is critical to commercial disputes. Hearing from the business community, this must be the arbitrators. Dispute resolution. Opportunities in international arbitration, these must be arbitrators. Benefits of ADR. Okay, and some of the sessions. So thank you very much. I think that has given a good flavor. And we've got the same, or roughly the same number of people responding, which is good. Whenever you get about a 40 to 50% response, that gives us a very good, idea. So I would, so it's my pleasure this morning to welcome you all to this first meeting of the Arbitration Commission. This is the first public gathering of the Arbitration Commission, which has been formed under the ICC Kenya. And this whole discussion on the alternatives and opportunities for dispute resolution in Kenya. Litigation has become a big thing globally. And everybody heads to courts all the time in terms of trying to solve issues that could probably be solved much easier by having by starting from scratch. Just let's have a conversation, the two of us. And then if you can't, then you move up into the legal side until you get into courts. A little bit about the ICC Kenya. We were formed in June 2017 and then registered on August 2019 as a national committee of the ICC Kenya. In that time, obviously, we've been interacting with the International Court of Arbitration, and we've had requests to nominate arbitrators from Kenya. And we've responded to several requests, and at least 3 of our arbitrators have actually taken up opportunities in the international space. And it obviously means that arbitrators are required of different skills, different skill sets, and some of them are present in this country. And you want to be able to connect them to the arbitration opportunities globally, but also uniquely within our own continent. Arbitrators who come from this part of the world know how to arbitrate cases that are in this part of the world better, and then tend to be looking for people who are not close to the activities to be arbitrated. So, for example, you have somebody from from here arbitrating a case in South Africa or in West Africa and vice versa. So those are the opportunities that will open up. as we begin to be active in the arbitration space in Kenya. So as the ICC in Kenya, we have been active now in trying to make ICC visible to all of you. And as a result of that, we'll be forming several commissions. The first one to actually take root is the Arbitration Commission, which all of you, which has made this program today possible. And we're also in the process, and also the Banking Commission has been established. And then there is a couple of others which you're working on. And as you heard, Corporate Responsibility and Anti-Corruption Commission, a very, very moot subject in our country at the moment that we really want to take by the hands. And then Customs and Trade Facilitation Commission. How many of you are aware of what is called the Incoterms? Hands up. Incoterms. About 50%. Obviously, these are the terms that govern a lot of international trade. And you'll find that some of the arbitration arises around people understanding or misunderstanding those things. But they're also very, very useful tools in terms of ensuring that trade goes on smoothly. And we've held several training on Incoterms, and we'll continue doing that as we expand what we're doing as the ICC Kenya. So in closing, we'd like really all of you who are participating today to contribute towards this discussion from your areas of expertise. Please get engaged, but I'll have to do a plug. As the ICC Kenya, we are looking for members. We're looking for membership to grow so that at least people can get a discounted fee for using the services available through the ICC Kenya and through us with the ICC globally. And finally, I'd like to thank and appreciate the Kenya private sector, where I currently am the chair of the foundation, which has actually hosted the ICC. They have hosted us. We started off under funding from KEPSA, and they are very keen to ensure that the national committee grows and becomes an integral part of the business community in this country. And finally, I'd like to thank the ICC Kenya Secretariat, led by our Secretary General. I call her that, and she normally sort of says no. Pascalina at the back, and the rest of the Secretariat. All of them are sort of, please stand up to be recognized. All around the room. That's all you have. 3 people who are actually a Secretariat with the support of KEPSA, obviously. And I look forward to having a very successful day today. So thank you very much for that. I would now like to introduce, I think, is she online? Claudia Salmon. Claudia Salmon is the president of the International Chamber of Commerce, International Court of Arbitration, the ICC branch of the International Court of Arbitration. And she's a